We are happy and also delighted to launch the official website of Vignan Institute of Information Technology, Vizag. Normally, these websites are given to the outside agencies for the development of websites, and that is number one. Number two, most of the websites are very static. Unlike this, so our website is developed by our own students. The names of the students: N. Gauri Shankar, team lead; P. Chiranjeevi Reddy, Sai Rama Lakshmi, and M. Lahari, M. Maurya Pravista, K. Jashwant, S. Hemant Kumar, under the guidance of our CEO N. Srikanth. So this is a very happy note to announce that our own people has developed the website. This is a wonderful thing, and this website is very dynamic. Every day it changes, including all the activities of the campus and also the prospectus of the students and their development. Because the students know the development of website and know the content and also the everyday changes in that. That is the very interesting part of this website. I hope, I wish this gives the digital information to all the stakeholders, the students, parents, and industry, alumni, and other stakeholders also continuously, and mirror of the image and which captures everyday activities. So that makes the website very interesting. It is not a simple textbook like or a static page. It is a continuously dynamic thing, and the alumni, especially industrial people, can be connected to the institute through this website, and they can also participate in some of the activities, and they can make suggestions, and they can something for the development of the students and the institution. So I wish this launching would be a great milestone of this institution developed by the students, and not only for this launching, even after the launching, the students and faculty would be involved continuously to update it and develop it further. So I wish this launch will have a great impact on the development of the institution, especially the students and faculty, especially those industries who are accepting our internships and other things, may be involved in the process of the curriculum and also the other activities and the extra courses and industry-specific courses. All these things industrialists can may be involved into this, and this will be the face of the institution. I hope, I wish that it serves a great purpose for the development of students and faculty, and also the development of the institute at large. Thank you. Wish you all the best.